Stuck with that same old wallet? Don't worry. I put together a full-on upgrade guide to walk you through the whole thing. The magic? It's all in the little changes that fly under everyone's radar. Wanting on a meme coin ride that could totally shift your setup? Stick with me because I'm laying out the whole process I followed. Just a heads up, these windows of opportunity close fast. Not gonna lie, Pump.fun's going downhill fast. There's a sea of junk projects, and finding a winner is nearly impossible. The early crowd already took profits and moved on. What's left? Mostly newbies who don't realize what's happening. If you've got your head on straight, you'll get out before it bottoms out. Every single day is the same rinse and repeat, just more recycled meme coin clones flooding the feed. So, what makes your project any different from the noise out there? If you're playing for real, your next move should be to shift over to Radium. That's where the real plays are. Pump.fun is just background chatter now. Don't get caught up in empty trends while solid chances pass you by. And those crashes you're seeing all over, that's the clue. I've got the steps lined up to help you make the right move at the right time. When there aren't a million other tokens in the mix, your coin finally gets some breathing room. Price swings? Absolutely insane at the moment. But let's be honest, if you're not bringing any kind of coding skills, this could turn into a headache real fast. But don't worry, Launchtool.io just changed the game by removing the need for coding. Now anyone can roll out on Radium with just a few taps. No dev background required. It's a smoother, cleaner process than ever. The rough, complicated systems from before, that era's over. Starting off, we're giving your coin some identity. Launch Canva. Set up a 128 by 128 workspace, and you're good to go. Search for something online that makes you laugh. A goofy meme or classic internet moment. I'm rolling with a favorite that hits that nostalgia sweet spot. Adjust the image, save it, and now your token's got a look that stands out. Now let's dive into Launch Tool. First, connect your Phantom wallet. It's a quick process. Once that's set, choose a name for your project. I'm calling mine just like the simulations, with JLTS as the symbol. Want to get creative? Add a fun description or anything that feels right. Don't forget to upload your logo. Hit next, and you're good to go. Let's move on to the tokenomics. And trust me, this model is making waves in projects all around. These numbers are far from random. They're based on what's working in the market right now. The 1 billion token total, there's a solid reason it's the go-to number. Hit next, and let's keep it rolling. Now that you're on the creator setup page, you'll see an option to spend 0.1 Solana for a few extra adjustments. But really, it's not worth it. You'll want to save that Solana for future moves. Keep it simple and save that cash. You're now in the social media section. It'll prompt you to add your socials, but the reality is, Radium already puts your token in front of a larger audience than a brand new profile could. Don't stress if you don't have anything to link. Feel free to add them if you've got them, but I'm opting to skip this part. This is where trust really comes into play, so make sure you don't mess it up. You'll see 3 options. Don't touch any of them. If the freeze option is enabled, people will start to worry you could lock their tokens anytime, and that's a huge red flag. If Mint is still on, it means you can create unlimited tokens, and that's a major turnoff. If you can still update the contract, it'll make people think your project is shady. The best move? Leave everything as is and click Launch My Token Now. Hold up a second. Your wallet will ask you to confirm the launch. No need to stress, just hit Confirm. And just like that, your token is live and locked. Major milestone achieved. Take a moment to appreciate it. Okay, it's getting real now. Fire up SolScan. Click that final button in Launch Tool to see your contract on-chain. It's official, and there's no undoing it now. Things are about to pick up speed, so buckle up. We're heading into setting up your liquidity pool. Without liquidity, a token is pretty much useless. Let's fix that. Go back to Launch Tool and select the second option to open up Radium's liquidity pool configuration. This will take you right to the setup screen. First, connect your Phantom wallet. Mine connects by default, but if it doesn't for you, just click to choose it manually. Now let's set up your base token. You'll need your token's address. Get it from Launch Tool or SolScan. I'm grabbing mine from Launch Tool's first tab. Paste it in. Then enter your coin's symbol and name. I'm using JLTS for the symbol, and just like the simulations for the name. Click Add User Token. Select your token from the list, and watch all 1 billion tokens appear in no time. Now let's fund that pool. Start by adding 900 million tokens. For the quote token, you're locked into using Solana. Radium doesn't give you other options, so make sure you have some in your wallet, and choose an amount between 0.8 and 2 Solana. Don't forget to save at least 0.2 Solana for transaction fees. That's important. Finally, set the fee tier to 2%. This will ensure your trades are smooth and minimize slippage. You've got the freedom to choose your fee tier. 2% is what I usually go for, but if you want something tighter, you can drop it to 0.5%. Experiment with the settings to find what works best for your strategy. Once you've chosen your rate, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Phantom will prompt you for approval, just confirm, and your token will be live and active on the blockchain. Take a quick pit stop, go to Photon and remember to enable the radium filter. That's how you will see your token immediately, no need to scroll around. And yeah, your launch didn't go unnoticed. There are already savvy traders tracking your move. Welcome to the big stage. Now, it's time to track your coin. Go to Launchtool or SolScan and copy your token's address. After that, head over to Dex Screener, load any token's chart, and swap their address with yours. Now, you'll be seeing your own chart, updating in real time. Expect a few bot trades early on, it's nothing to worry about. The real signal to watch for is when the chart starts to gain momentum. That's when the whales will start getting interested. At some point, you'll want to check your liquidity position, and it's easy to find. Just go to Radium, open the Portfolio tab, and look under the Standard section. Sometimes your position will appear immediately, but other times it might take a moment to load. That's totally fine. It's just the way on-chain syncing works. Give it a bit and it'll show up. Well guys, it has been 16 minutes since we created the liquidity of our coin, and it has had quite a lot of movement. Let's see how the graph in our liquidity is going up as time goes by. 21 minutes have already passed and look how the graph is going up. Our liquidity is also in the same. The last purchase was $94, about 0.6 Solana. Let's continue to see how we are doing. Okay guys, 30 minutes here, and just got a $145 buy-in, about 0.9 Solana, helping the chart go up along with liquidity. I think we will be leaving here soon, so let's keep watching. And finally, 41 minutes, the last purchase of the day, about $215. That's 1.3 Solana. With this, I feel comfortable, so it's time to look for our reward. It's time to cash out. First, confirm that your Phantom wallet is connected. If it doesn't show up, just click the wallet icon and choose your wallet from the list. After that, go to the Standard section, find your liquidity position, and hit the minus button, and you're all set to withdraw. Go for the full amount. Don't leave anything behind. Pull out 100% of your liquidity, since that Solana is key. Click Remove Liquidity, approve the transaction in your wallet, and the blockchain will handle the rest for you. This strategy is the key to huge profits. The numbers don't lie, guys. 9 out of 10 projects using this method achieve major success. The truth is, those who act early reap the rewards, while those who wait are stuck with what's left. Make sure your setup is right and move quickly. Timing is critical.